Lakshmi Swarup.
Myself, Danish Radhavik.
Myself, Pranita Mir.
We are studying in SJR Kingieri Public School.
We are studying in 7th standard.
Today in this project we have come with RGB LED with controlling with push button. By using push button we can control RGB LEDs. When we press each of the push button, each color of RGB will glow.
In this model we are using breadboard, 3 push buttons and jumper and RGB LED. We connect 3 push buttons for each terminal of a LED. We connect all 3 push buttons with the help of jumper wire. With this we can able to mix the color.
Application: we can use the same TV, mobile phone and display appearance.